To start the instrument, turn on the breaker on the back of the main unit as shown on the little image on the side. Then proceed to turn on the power switch on the right of the main unit to start the device. When the unit is turned on, the evacuation process will start automatically and the evac LED will blink blue. Turn on the PC and the monitor as shown. Log in using the password provided. Start the TM4000 application by double-clicking the TM4000 program shortcut. The TM4000 start screen will be displayed until the graphical user interface is loaded. Now you're ready to load the sample or continue your observation.